Southeast and Anambra in particular. Kedu ife ichere maka restructuring? Hapụkwara ihe dịka Biafra ma asụmọ. Kedu ife ichere ka ọnọdụ gị na ya na sineti ahụ ị na-agara anyị? Ọha chọrọ ịma.
Very good question.
Nke ọzọ bụ achọrọ ịkpọrọ.
Chere nchọta nke a, because nke ọzọ is my advice.
Oh, suggestion.
Suggestion, ka nzanụ nke a. Biko, ọ dị mma mmadụ gwara eziokwu, ọnọdụ a dị bad, and onwe ife anyị ga-eme n'ihe. Onwekwu ma Nnamdi Kanu ma anything anyị ga-eme n'ihe. Someone nwere maybe solution for it. Ị na n'ife na-ekwu. Onwere onye etiri shuga n'ọnụ ọgbụpụ ya. Even you, if you nye ngwa nke ị na-eme kịta, ị ma need to worse than ndị Fulani. I will tell you the truth. Every human said is greedy. Greedy in the sense, it may not be in the soul, but to another kita, I know people. I said, "Go be a court prayer. He will name the mother's babies." No a good thing, come. You will get come in one night. When I joke enough, on go one way, upper inheritance, in with Anaka, Nago. On who got there? I said, "What I know, you get a court to your belly." He approached it. Now, India, they use to go political emancipation by crook or by hook. Today, politics in Nigeria. Only I was meeting Hajj. We don't know agriculture for. Man, agriculture for they really for Anako. And they put in a buying. EJMFA or Toka buying 50 years ago. No development. Every day, for finding by the Mekubana, finding by the Mekanapsa. And then I say, have a kind of discussion. Open on go for Ikepe. One name, Onye Udifa Dolo, Oloyo, Onapo, Ojeyibi, thinking Capia. When the walk, he does the baby. That is why if I'm about to go here. If I'm about to say, now I'm going to see it. I try to make a dinner my line now. Every day, Obasani from even Kaduna, Ebe Gono, or Michigan, fire share of one name, Ebe Gono. In a one name to me came on here. Remember, Pam, one name, Jechuego, Jewambo, no walking. Come look governor. Come make a buy look at Japan. Come make a buy look at Dubai. Come on, I just try to get too big. Father will look at you. That's it. Commercially inclined governance, government of the business people, commerce government, and diaspora. If you understand the strength, of diaspora, the government of Nigeria, I can this diaspora. Go to Anambra and create our own bank and create our own money transfer institution. Then everything will be also like we will continue to command them. Stop calling them Janjaweed. Stop calling them Zoo. First your own.
Yes.
Charity begins at home. Get our government, state government, to be accountable to our own common patrimony. And by so doing, if we do charity, charity begins at home. Ndị a sị ka maka ife afara work in a different neighborhood. Common number electronic voting in the National Assembly. Can INEC? How can a country in this modern age one of the means it transfer results by electronic because they want to rig it.
Exactly.
Then you saw me standing. All I did was parliamentary parties that I am disappointed and sad. I walked out. I walked out.
Yes, sorry for being that for you.
That's the best parliamentary practice. I walked out. Because I didn't want to come back. And they will never leave it. So the Lagos law finance expand the Milifa. They make it their revenue independently without federal government. Go back to it and the animal Igbo can mobilize can independency of economy. Let us celebrate local government election in 6 months. Can you talk to like that? And that's why I said it here.
Thank you. He actually has an Atlanta. He actually has an Atlanta. I will even like only 20 more minutes. Because
Senator, I have an Ochisi and the ambassador. One way this is repair, I say, oh no, a motivated start. Oh, the Immatia Bigo, I had that, the Puniabo. I have forgotten to the central, Anambra Central, Anambra North. Immatia, HFNA. The whole zones to the Anambra South. That goes for any PCA or the Galco, not true about that. They are the more for that. Do to know any more in charge of Anambra State. If I draw money, need never.
Thank you very much. Ngala to go graduate university. Never go ABC. Because from the Bumbu, I see the Golomaka, you know, all the way I will the community. So, very little thing, you can go to Anambra and Fugan City, federal institutions. Do you understand me? So, my governor, no, if I go, I used to go to flag Anambra State, the every city of the world, and then create our own economy, our own consulate, so that we'll continue now the new order of the day. Ndị buy niile to consulate anyị ka clear to Nigerian consulate. Anyị nwere onye ebe a and anyị nọ ụmụ na-ewepụta so that ka anyị nwee autonomy. Ka anyị create a local government election. Ka anyị use the legislative means ensure food scarcity, food insecurity, job employment, security of lives and property. A very strong governance through our state legislation. Only see, I'm a qualified for you.
Thank you. Because we'll take 2 more questions, Rico, and then we'll finish.
Most distinguished senator. Most distinguished senator, I want to welcome you to Atlanta once again. Let's just depart from the sentiments and get back to structural things that win election. You won election last time because you had capacity and you were able to protect your votes. Now with the failure of the electronic transmission of the INEC votes, they don't want you to be a governor. With that failure of that bill in the National Assembly, how do you intend to protect your votes? Capacity as a senator is quite different from capacity as a state governor, and you have both. So what are your plans to override that failure of that critical vote that promotes democracy in Nigeria? Thank you.
Well, these are practical things, and I'm a member of INEC, and I understand the workings. I think that issue is being referenced against presidential election. Okade Bifone Mwanya, Anambra State, if I name it Olanyanya, Omude when you vote. and anybody na-abịa ka ọ patronize people si na ya ede na ya amagbuli na apụfa. Those people mmadụ emu dị ife afọ anyị na-abịa hitari na befa anyị emefe anyị abịa hitari na anyị maka na-atụ egwu ịkpọ ya wọd taa, they will tell you that there's a laptop nwere na wọd taa. Ịkpọ wọd lokita jụọ Anambra State, every ward with laptop, telephone, Android, tablet, taking biometric data of everybody. They can't come near me when I go to them. But score goal, because I catch people in family. The hand of God is upon me. And I'm my thank you very much.
Victor, thank you so much. We'll take the last question, and after that, then we do a group picture. What to go now for the past 5 days he's been traveling around the country. What we can promise you that one day before November, he'll be back here in Atlanta. I will host Zoe, the better way, Victor. Thank you. Because the president of Igbo Union in Atlanta, Dr. Dan Onyaba, the only back Anaba will do me. Nabanokashi. Yes. How could you give it no to me? Tennessee. Akashi normal. Why give it? Because president, over to you.
I don't need microphone as a professor. My own senator.
You have campaign voice.
Because thank you, my president. And the reason why I said thank you, my president, being the founding player. Because when we introduced, they forgot to say I'm the founding player of Anambra in Atlanta.
Yes.
What I do, I build a people lives. My own senator, I have to thank Dr. Ruben Nadi. The reason why I say I have to thank her because I say how serious that about you. I just came back from Nigeria on Tuesday last week. We have been communicating. She has been pushing me. I received too many tombstones tonight to be here. But always the people, being the president of Igbo in Atlanta,
Yes.
because he cannot come to Atlanta without Moma in Abatake. Always you. In our bomb, I make that one over there. Yes, so the kind I do. Because my question will be a hot issue topic. When you say hot issue, a lot of people don't want to answer questions. Last night or 2 nights ago, there was a video tape Dr. Ruby sent to me. I listened to that thing, it has to do with Nnamdi Kanu. When I was in Nigeria, and name was listed among those that sponsored Nnamdi Kanu to be kidnapped in Kenya. And the first thing I did was to call my friend Ruby Nadi. I said, how do you want to support my own senator with all these allegations? But I got so kind, I listened to that tape last night, and I said, baby, I called my sister, why you keep here? I said, I'm being an educator. We'll learn from the day we are born until we die. But tonight, I'm totally convinced. I have a brother running on the APC. Dossier, what they call overdose. Just a step from my house. My own view, now. That's a different question. But in politics, it's a matter of interest. When I listen to that, where's my brother? Put it down, I would like to know your position about Nnamdi Kanu and his kidnapping. Despite the fact, most of the things we read in WhatsApp, it depends whether it's a white paper page. That's one. Then on page 27, of your manifestos, number 8, even the women are in the research of man. nwa dị a na mụsị nke gbasara m ma abarịsa na edif mega enwe lọya n'obodo a nwe na Nigeria. On page 27, number 8.
Number 8.
Yes.
Number 8.
Gone, yeah?
Okay.
Also, Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Ubah achievements. Number 8. A bid to upgrade Federal Polytechnic Oko, Onumba North, Anambra to Federal University of Technology. One!
He said interest.
No interest. When you look at Federal Polytechnic Oko, it's started as Federal Arts and Science.
Yes.
Among all the federal polytechnics in Nigeria, Anambra Federal Polytechnic Oko is number 1. Because of simple politics against ethnic groups.
Exactly.
My senator, I doff my hat.
And I don't.
And I know that will happen.
And I don't.
Please.
I don't.
The reason why I said as a professor, I read all my films from page 1 to page 2. But this particular one, my good friend said it wasn't safe for him to be. So when I went to be honest with you, I went to Ghana. So that's one, or number 2. The next one is, you have been singing about those in diaspora. My question is, because don't quote me as president in the Igbo. I'm here as Dan Onyagba and to this abroad. But guess what? I'm confused where he's going.
Go ahead.
Because based on what he enumerated tonight, and based on what I read, be honest with you, I was in Nigeria for a month and a lot of people came to my house and they said how many buildings they have built for the poor people in Northern North and North South. I was like, whoa. Because people have come in, where do you belong? I said, guess what? I belong to people that will touch the poor people, not that Onyagba.
That's right.
I mean, say this, I'm okay. But people, and when they gave me a list of people have touched, as a senator, only God knows what we do as a governor. Even now, you're under neighbor. Some of us never areas have to vote. But guess what? Call your people down home to support him. That's the only way we put him there. And that's the only way he continues what he's doing as a senator and also as a governor. So my president have been looking at me because I want to achieve a form, but I'm in the assignment. But now, my senator, Jide Kiji. Ndị Igbo so onye si ajide ka oji ọmọ ihe ọdọmọ nwa ego nke m nwa but na ịba n'ekwe ebe a letekwe the first thing eme ndị Atlanta wụ iyi alụ anyị obi ndị Igbo abi eji alụ obi ndị Igbo na Atlanta so zip code ndị Anambra sị gịnị na Atlanta ekele m ọnụ.
Thank you. 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 I find the people here at your Chalo, hold on. Senator wants to respond quick response. Bikono. Yeah, quick response. Then, yeah.
Well, I think one of the things only CIA commentation because the only one man hopefully it was Nnamdi Kanu. And thank God just not to be convinced, but I said why want you to do convinced because of only few days ago Rob sent the video because only if one is involved in anything but Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi is meeting his lawyers. Although no one is like when he would have named even one lawyer, this is a chopper, not that you maybe he was going for his private business. In the room, she called him back. I don't need to find him back. I'm not doing business. I'm not going to one day never call business. Then there is some problem because you see, many times I need to go as not to go and the important a leadership or a challenge before you want to know. Money is the root of all evil. In Ghana, I governor of Anambra State. I need to look at my kitty. John Chukwu, can you me hold on? onye isi akpatara m ego na nwa 19 ego moto 21 anụgo nwaanyị ruo n'elu 3 at the age of 21. It is a generational challenge. Anywhere done in Nigeria, if anybody beat that record, I'm going to give that person 100 million naira. Only see, I won't know no more than I'm from the day no year, could the job of the Igbo. On the job of the 3 weeks, also made job of the Igbo. I thought I'm Afro, and I'm a Mife, because I'm one cousin. I don't know my sister. Come on, my father had half. Let me go and suffer. Kafa don't do for me. And they enjoyed 10 good years of my active life in wealth. So I thank God before my mother. So if I go Nnamdi Kanu 190, I will make a speech on Nnamdi Kanu this September and October. But my speech have already been made in BBC when I said that we will ask questions on why, how SWPK processes. If the government of Nigeria answers me on this, I'm okay. Everyone in Nigeria do you understand me? Man, you can because in Nigeria, you just show it to or you change my business somewhere. You just have a so then I can't have a fear. Man, if you ever found a man to be kidnapped, then my judge can you proceed your sales because not only in America, China, about to do many things. America can do China. Do you understand me? I know if I image Hannah is to say, do you understand me? I want to never for holiday. Follow young jail bath. Olova won so well. Omogo my family. How we gonna inform the Kamaka is in Yaka? Only sin about the bosom. I want to you see, desperation of politicians, name the politicians, find out how many things also. Or fire Punyo, man, at the very confrontational. It was about coming to be so tomorrow, I know when leader Yamala, only a name killing and they go. I wish everybody well, but my to Nigeria, my Nnamdi if a battle case with John William, everyone on BBC, one other man. Nana John, I'm not here. I won't be on BBC. Yes. I check in. Oh, you see, I don't know where in a election. I will go away from the far. Na only venture here. 100 golden planes. 100 golden a boat club. Na 8 to 10, 1 to 8 water Carrington Crescent. Lagos, na American Embassy Street. Ibatahane, from 1 to 8, 15 years ago. So I know when the government if a problem more, family immunity solve for problem more. You have to control for that. And then airport can be one in every city of the world. And it is only when you get I'm an affirmative to do anything in gold.
Thank you, everybody. I sincerely want to apologize on behalf of Honorable Senator and the team tonight. Bikonu, remember, Obunonu Law for our Senator, Manuel Hezike. I know that we all want to eat him alive. Because at this time, I everybody. Because he has said enough. He has said everything. Okay? And I want to give this microphone to the president. Calling vote of thanks.
Please, the ladies, our mamas, the organizers, the ladies should please come to the front seat while the men go to the back. You are free to sit on them. All our wives, come in front, please.